Welcome back to Quiz TV. Can you guess all the birds? They range from easy to impossible. But first subscribe to our channel Quiz TV so you don't miss any quiz. Let's go! This bird can't fly but is the fastest runner among birds, reaching speeds up to 70 km/h. Ostrich, known for its rainbow-colored beak. This bird lives in Central and South America. Tocotucan. This tiny bird is the only one that can fly backwards. Hummingbird. This nocturnal bird can rotate its head almost 270 degrees and fly silently. Owl. This bird is famous for mimicking human speech in captivity. African grey parrot. The national bird of the USA, known for its white head and tail feathers. Bald eagle. This flightless bird from New Zealand has nostrils at the tip of its long beak. Kiwi. This bird is known for its elaborate courtship dance and huge colorful tail feathers. Peacock. This seabird can drink salt water, thanks to special glands above its eyes. Albatross. This bird builds hanging nests and has bright yellow-orange plumage. Baltimore oriole. This large flightless bird from Australia is the second tallest bird in the world. Emu. This bird of prey can dive at over 300 km/h, the fastest animal on Earth. Peregrine falcon. This bird has a pouch under its beak used to scoop up fish. Pelican. This small bright red bird is common at North American feeders in winter. Northern cardinal. This bird is famous for laying its eggs in other birds' nests. Cuckoo. This tall wading bird stands on one leg and is often pink from its diet. Flamingo. This bird is known for its distinctive drumming as it pecks tree trunks. Woodpecker. This large black bird is highly intelligent and known for using tools. Raven. This bird flies underwater and is the fastest swimmer among birds. Penguin. This bright blue bird is a bold, noisy backyard bird in North America. Blue jay. This bird has a huge but surprisingly lightweight hollow beak. Toucan. This bird species is known for standing guard while others in its flock sleep. Flamingo. This white bird is linked to the delivery of babies in folklore. Stork. This small brown bird is one of the most common in the world, often nesting in cities. House sparrow.